Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making pizza pretzels. The ingredients that we're going to need today are all-purpose flour, water, your favorite pizza sauce, baking soda, garlic powder, pepperoni, instant yeast, mozzarella cheese, salt, light brown sugar, and salted butter. Okay, so I have all my ingredients measured out. So we're going to need 4.5 cups of all-purpose flour. You're going to need 1.5 cups of water, and then you're going to need another 2 cups of water. I have my mozzarella cheese shredded thinly. You're also going to need your pizza sauce, your pepperoni, 4 tablespoons of salted butter, and you want to melt that, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar, and 2 packs of instant yeast. The first thing we're going to do is heat up our 1.5 cups of water. You want it just to be warm, not boiling and not hot. Once your water is warm, you want to place it inside of a bowl. Then we're going to add in our melted butter, our brown sugar, and also our 2 packets of yeast. Then you want to whisk it until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, you want to let it sit for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, you should see a foamy top and some bubbles. Okay guys, after 10 minutes, you can see our yeast has activated. So now I'm going to add in my garlic powder and my salt. And we're just going to gently mix that in. Now you want to start to add your flour in 1 cup at a time. And we're just going to grab a spatula and begin to mix it in. Remember, you're doing it 1 cup at a time. Okay guys, once you have all your flour into the bowl, you just want to go ahead and knead it only for 1 to 2 minutes, no longer. Now you want to roll your dough into a ball and put it in a lightly greased bowl. Then you want to cover it with saran wrap and let it sit for 10 minutes. While you're waiting, you can preheat your oven to 400 degrees. After 10 minutes, your dough has risen just a little bit. It's not going to double in size. This is the way that you want it. Now you want to take a knife and cut your dough into 8 even sections. Now you want to take each piece of your dough and roll it into a ball. Now you want to roll it out into a nice long strip. Now you want to get a baking sheet and line it with parchment paper and set it to the side. Now you want to take your 2 cups of water and just heat it up until it's warm, not boiling and not hot. Now in a large bowl, you want to empty your 2 cups of water in, and you want to add your 2 tablespoons of baking soda. And you want to whisk it until everything is well combined. Now we're going to place our dough strips into our water mixture, and we're going to let it sit for about 2 seconds. Then we're going to remove it. Once it's removed, you want to form it into a pretzel and sit it onto your baking sheet. Now we're going to repeat the process. Now we're going to take our finger and we're going to press down into our dough and make small indentations. This will hold our sauce onto the pretzel. Once you made your imprints, now you can begin to add your sauce. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our cheese over top. And once you have your cheese on top, we're going to add our pepperoni. Now they're ready to go into the oven, 400 degrees for 15 minutes. Okay guys, so our pizza pretzels are now done. I'm going to move them onto a wire rack. Okay guys, so this is our pizza pretzels. They are delicious. I hope you guys give this recipe a try. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.